Hi everyone, Lila and Eric Bross here of the Bross team, Century 21 Redwood Realty, your real estate professionals serving Virginia, DC, and Maryland.
We are back at it on why we love living in Arlington, Virginia. This week we decided to mix it up a little and give you the top 3 fresh secrets to help you sell your home very fast. So go grab your popcorn and a notepad. We can assure you, you won't want to miss 1 second of this video. Our genuine message and goal with our videos each week is to add major value to our community and neighbors. With that being said, here we go.
Okay, so top secret number 1. Drum roll, please. Showcase your house with video. Yes, video. Look, selling your home can be one of the largest, most emotional transitions in your entire lifetime. So why not put your mind at ease with new age thinking? We've learned rather quickly that the agents using fresh video technology are the agents that sell the homes the fastest and for the highest price. Look, we're living in a digital world these days, and skills like creating cool videos and having consistent social media posts are a must-have for modern listing agents. Some of the more popular ways to showcase your home are 3D home tours, Facebook, Instagram live videos, and even drone photography. They can be used to give potential buyers a unique perspective that they wouldn't otherwise get and will put you in the best spot to sell your home fast.
Along those same lines is our top secret number 2. Hire a tech-savvy listing agent. You'll need to partner with an agent that is fully capable and comfortable with the latest forward-thinking technology. Back in the 70s and 80s, throwing up a for sale sign in your front yard and running an ad in a local newspaper and other traditional advertising methods was the bombski. Whoa, hold up, stop, rewind, roll the tape back, and now hit the fast forward button on your VCR. It's now 2020, where the majority of buyers start their home search by surfing online. And many studies show millennials make up the largest group of first-time home buyers. These millennials have grown up in a world that emphasizes convenience. They think about everything in terms of how fast, how efficient, how available is it right now. Millennial house hunters are now using property-related hashtags and social media feeds in their searches, and that's just the beginning. So the agent you choose to list your house for sale can set you apart from the competition if they're up to speed on today's world of modern technology. Simply put, they need to be tech savvy. Oh, Marty McFly and Doc Brown should be proud.
And finally, top secret number 3. Create photos of local hotspots. Lifestyle is extremely important to most buyers, whether they know it or not. So you must help potential buyers to envision themselves living in your home and your neighborhood. And this needs to happen before a sale. So you should absolutely have professional photos or videos on display of the hottest, newest, coolest restaurants, coffee shops, wine bars, heck, even include the menus to accentuate the local flair. In addition, it's a great idea to create photos of local gyms, fitness and yoga studios, trendy grocery stores, local farmers markets, unique boutiques. The list is endless on what you can share about your awesome neighborhood. I like to say, the canvas is yours, so own it. A little bonus tip we wanted to share for great photography. It's to get your outdoor photos of your house and community right around twilight time. So this is the time of day we refer to as the golden hour or the magic hour, and typically occurs about 20 to 25 minutes before the sun sets and after the sun rises each day.
Well said, Lila.
Thank you.
So if you feel that we've missed anything about this topic, please let us know in the comments. We really appreciate any feedback we can get. And that about wraps it up for us. So join us next week on Why We Love Living in Arlington. See you next time. From the Bross team. Bye.
Bye.